The Gravex is a loss and weight gravimetric throughput control system which automatically controls the product thickness or extruded weight in a plastics extruder to better than plus or minus 0.5% of specification. It can save more than 2% of your raw material costs by eliminating the natural variations in product thickness, which allows you to run a lower average thickness and reduces reject rates. It is also a very useful tool when starting a line or making a job change, as the unit will get the extruder onto specification quicker than by manual setting. This reduces setup waste and increases the machine's production time. On co-extrusion applications, the system will maintain precise control over layer and extruder ratios. The Gravex has three main components: the slide valve, the weigh hopper, the controller. The slide valve is open to fill the weigh hopper with material. Once full, the slide valve closes and will not reopen until the low level in the weigh hopper is reached. The weigh hopper is mounted on load cells to continuously monitor the weight of material in it. Each time the extruder screw makes a complete revolution, the weight of material in the hopper is sent to the controller for processing. The weigh hopper is enclosed inside an outer metal hopper which provides mechanical protection for the weigh hopper and load cells. The Gravex controller uses the rate of material usage and line speed input to calculate the extruded thickness. It compares this with the set point and adjusts the extruder or line speed to maintain the correct thickness. The controller is very easy to understand and use. All set points are entered by push button and have large digital display of values. There is a screen displaying the status of operation and setting of parameters. The controller can be connected to either an extruder and/or the line speed controllers to provide control of the thickness. It can be connected to an external PC for data collection and storage, or to a Weighbatch Advantech for centralized process control and reporting. This is a demonstration of the Advantech computer connected to a 3-layer co-extrusion film line with Gravex controllers. The screen is showing the system in manual mode before control is turned on. For a graphical representation, we go to the chart screen. On the chart screen, the lower chart shows the extruder outputs and the upper chart shows the thickness of each layer in the film. As shown, the system is in manual mode with no control activated, and the natural variation in output and thickness of each layer can easily be seen. Then we go back to the main screen and switch on the auto control mode. The Gravex units now take over the control of the extruder and line speed drives. When we go back to the chart screen, we can see an immediate correction in the extruder output and layer ratios. You can clearly see the variation before the control was turned on, and then the corrected situation after the system was set in auto control mode. In summary, the Gravex throughput controller will improve your product quality by controlling your product thickness or weight per meter. It will reduce setup time and reduce waste during job changes. It will save you raw material. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or want to discuss further, please speak with Weighbatch staff on the booth.